Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your TikTok translate language. So this is going to be whenever you see a post with a caption that is not in your original language and you can choose translate. So let's go ahead and open our TikTok app. And if you're not already on your profile, go ahead and hit the bottom right profile icon. And from here, we want to go to the top right 3 lines and settings and privacy. And then what you want to do is about halfway down my screen, you will see language. It's right above dark mode. If we go ahead and choose that, on the top is the app language itself. So that's the language that the app will be for you. And then preferred languages is another setting that you can choose there. And what we want to look at right now is the translation language. So if you go ahead and choose that, you can actually choose between all of these different languages that you can choose to have the captions that are not in your language translated to your language. So if this helped you guys out, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.